Hello guys and welcome back. We will continue with the reset password function. To do this, we need to create two routes. The first route is forgot password. In this route, the application will send the reset password link to the provided email. And the second route is reset password. This route will update the password. So let's do the first route. To send an email, we need to set up the not mailer, but I believe that I already installed at the beginning. So the not mailer here, if you haven't installed it, let's do it. I will go to the Google and search for not mailer. Open it, and we can see the instruction here how to use not mailer. So I go back to my code editor and I create a new folder. Its name hotel. And in this folder we create a new file, send email.js. And in this file I create a not mailer require not mailer and we also create the transporter. I go back to the not mailer I copy this and paste here. I use Gmail. And you pass your email address here, and the password, this is not the password of your Gmail account, but the password from your application password. And we have to do this in your Gmail account setting. So I will go to my email account, open the manage Google account, and I go to the security and click on app password. Enter my password. I click on order. Let's do all F, and I click on generate, and we got the password, the app password here. Just copy it and we paste it here, and we also provide your Gmail address. And then we have to create the send email function. Let's send email template. Transporter dot send email. We pass the email template here. If error, and if success, we will log the response. Email send info dot response. And now I create another file in auto folder. The file name email template.js. Let reset password. Email and the token. Email. Sorry, I'm missing the row here. Email template. From no reply at gmail.com to email, and then the subject, password resets for email text. Password reset link. Localhost 4,000, sorry, 5,000. Password recovery, and then the token. Return email template, and finally I export the reset password template. Now I go back to the customer route and create a new route post forgot password. Email from request body, and let's test the email first. We need to import the email template, reset password from auto email template, and we also need to import the send email function from auto send email. First we need to pass the email address and the token into the reset password email template. I create an email template, reset password email, and then the token, that's whatever it is. We will generate a token later, but this is just for the testing the send email function purpose. And then send email template, result status 2200 JSON, status is true, message email for reset password has been sent. Okay, now I will run the app, npm run server, and I go to Postman. I already create request here, forgot password, just copy here, customer forgot password, and open the body email paste your email here. You should provide your email that's already registered on the application, like john@gmail.com here, but this is just the fake email. So to test the email function, you need to provide the real email. Okay, and I hit send. Nothing happened. Just check here. So what's wrong with this? It's 4,000. Sorry, I forgot. It's 4,000. Here also 4,000. And hit send. Send email is not a function. Okay, let's check. I go back to my code editor. Send email is not a function. Oh, sorry, I forgot to export the send email function. Let's do it. Module.export send email. Okay, and now go back to Postman and test it again. Email for reset password has been sent, so I will go to my email account, and I think it will go to the spam folder. There's nothing here. Just going back to my code editor and check what's the error here. Get address info is not found. Oh, I think I have a mistake here. It should be gmail.com rather than .email. So now I will try it again. I hit send, and in this time, yeah, we got the email with the reset password link. It's just the test token, but we have sent the email successfully. So in the next video, we will finalize the reset password function. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.